Hello everyone, this is Joyce. I am the founder of FieldsMaster. So now I'm just standing in our booth in Text Asia show in Shanghai, China. So these 2 days we have many customers and visitors come to talk with us, and they may ask us one question. So what's the relation between running and FieldsMaster? Because you can see the running and also the FieldsMaster in our booth here. So I especially take this small video to show you on this. As you know that Running is our group company name. With more than 30 years experience in China, Running now is a famous brand, mainly focusing on China market. While FieldsMaster is a young brand which was born also from our running company. While it's a young brand which is orientated to focusing on the international, the global market, with a better understanding for international markets and also a stronger international vision. And also FieldsMaster does not only orientate ourselves as a manufacturer, but also an expert in EPDM rubber flooring. So that means we will also offer our customers and also our partners with many professional solutions to keep their markets grow healthy and consistently. I wish that this can clarify your confusion. So in 2026, FieldsMaster now is doing many efforts to hiring and to find many potential partners and also customers to work with us as our agents. Let's do something together meaningful. In that way, people who love sports around the world can gain the health and also the well-being through high-quality sports venues. So welcome to come to China to meet us and to talk with FieldsMaster. Thank you.